Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to convert Excel to CSV. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Guys, in our previous video you would have seen we created an Excel, then we added this data and we saved the copy as writeDataFile.Excel. I'll add that video right top corner of this video so that you guys can watch. I'll open. So this is the writeDataFile.Excel. This was the file created last time when we edited this video. So first name, last name, AZHAR and Jamal. So I'll close this. So now in this video, what we'll do, we'll keep the steps everything as same, but we want to convert this Excel which we have created to a CSV file. For that, guys, let this be writeDataFile.CSV, and this extension we can write it as CSV, and here we have to write options. What options we can write? So you have to use this one, Microsoft Office up to Excel. We'll copy that, we'll add that here. After the Excel, we'll put dot, and we want to save this file. So Excel file format dot, I want it as CSV. So this is what I need. So I want to save entire thing into a CSV file, giving the file name as writeDataFile.CSV.csv. And here it should not be save copy as, it should be save as. Let me execute this. Let me open here. So here you should see writeDataFile.CSV.csv. Yeah, the file is now created. So let me open this file. Here you can see the first name, last name, AZHAR and Jamal. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.